There's a chair.
Ow!
You're stupid.
Did you even see me?
Yeah, I walked past. I was like, oh yeah, that scared me. I was like, oh come on, Natalie, you can't hide it.
She found me. So what are we gonna do now?
So it's my turn to hide. And she's
can stick. Then we can stick on the wall.
phone's on the end. So I'm gonna hide.
There she goes. Oh, man.
Ready?
So I found it. That was easy. So that's what we have for today. Bye.
Be sure to check our Musicallys. We're just putting the
The underscore is underscore. Underscore it's underscore Ariana underscore 2004 versus Natalie Simpson 8508 just 8. And yeah, so
those spaces. So be sure to check out our Musicallys. We're going to put it in the description. We'll have a big thumbs up. And